Hi guys, good morning. Today I'm going to make a kimchi using my cucumber. Meron kasi akong dalawang cucumber sa fridge. So, para hindi siya masira guys, gawin po natin siyang appetizer which is cucumber kimchi. Ito lang po yung gagamitin, of course, cucumber. Din half lang nito guys. Maybe 1/4 lang kasi konti lang yung cucumber natin. And then we're gonna add a little bit of honey para ma-blend yung lasa ng ating kimchi, kasi we're gonna use a kimchi sauce. It's a Korean one because before I made a cabbage kimchi last time, which is that's very tasty as well. And we're gonna use sesame seeds, and then we're gonna roast it a little bit. And then of course our chili. It's also a Korean product guys. We ordered this one online, so it's still good kasi ginagamit ko siya sa mga pang-cooking ko kung gusto ko siya ng spicy. And then of course we're gonna use a salt. Start na natin hiwain yung ating mga ingredients guys, kasi mix lang naman to. Ang hiwain na natin yung dalawa lang. So, our cucumber first because we're not gonna remove the skin. So, hayaan na natin yung skin dyan para hindi makakatulong yun siya para hindi masyadong mag-soft yung ating cucumber. Isusok natin yung ating cucumber sa salt. At least, sa dami, estimate lang yun guys ha, kasi estimate ko lang kasi konti lang naman to. Siguro mga 2 tablespoon ang ilagay ko na salt. Ayan, okay na yan siya. And then, i-mix lang natin siya. Mix lang natin ng ganun. Then, we have to soak it for at least 1 to 2 hours. Okay. Yan po. Cover lang natin siya ng either plate or something na makover lang siya. Soak for 1 to 2 hours. Ayan, okay na yun siya. Ilagay ko lang siya dito. Takpan ko lang to. Kasi after siguro 1 hour ko lang siya isok guys. Kasi konti lang tapos baka masyado siyang lumambot if isasok ko siya ng super long. Kasi konti lang naman Isiset ko lang. After an hour, hugasan ko na yung aking pipino. You can see, hugasan natin siya kasi maalat yan guys. Here's our cucumber. Actually, yung aking cucumber guys, when I tested it, it's a little bit salty na kasi I think I make wrong the estimate of the salt that I added earlier. So, medyo maalat na siya. Kunti lang ang ilagay ko nito para lang po mabiblend yung lasa ng ating kimchi. And then, of course, we're gonna use, if that's the case, kasi guys, if na medyo maalat yung ginagawa nating food, we just have to use sugar. So, here, I'm going to use a natural sugar, which is my honey. Not my honey, ha? This honey. Okay, we're gonna add the white onion. And then this is 1 tablespoon. Malaki kasi ito guys, kaya half lang yan is 1 tablespoon. That's enough kasi that's too salty. And then this one, para nga magkaroon ng lasa guys, kasi seasoning kasi ito siya ng kimchi. 1 teaspoon lang. And then yung ating honey, that's 2 teaspoon of honey. I'm going to use a gloves to mix that one. Malaki yung gloves ko kasi sukat to ni Carls. kamay ni Cubs. Mix lang natin siya, guys. Mas okay kasi pag kamayin natin siya. Kasi maganda yung pagkahalo ng ating. And also, one more thing pala na nakalimutan ko sabihin sa inyo kanina kung ano yung ilalagay pa natin dito. Is yung ating sesame oil. Konti lang naman din, guys. Konti lang. Ang bango nyo. Lagay tayo ng konting sesame oil. Where's my sesame oil? Just a little bit. Okay, that's it. Not even a teaspoon, guys. I'm going to taste it first before I will. Because this is it. Okay na yun siya. Kung maalat lang, lagyan na natin siya ng more honey. Kasi I need to add more honey kasi medyo super alat siya. Konti na lang kasi ito inubos ko na yung honey ko. Siguro mga ano lang siya, guys, mga 2 tablespoon lang lahat. Tapos po natin lagay yung ating sesame seeds. Pwede natin siyang i-fridge. Lipat mo natin ng container para i-fridge na natin. Lagay ko na siya kadiri. Masarap to kainin, guys, pag malamig. Okay na yun siya. I-shell muna natin yan.